Hey friends, if you wish to install Bluetooth driver on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So you can search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the Bluetooth drivers and then right click on the MediaTek Bluetooth driver and update drivers. Was this helpful? Okay, there's one more thing that you can do. If you're using an Intel or AMD computer, let us suppose that you're using an Intel computer, simply search for Intel Bluetooth driver and then go to the Intel Bluetooth driver website. This is what I have done in the past. Click on download. I mean this option to download. The Windows and Windows 11 one are the same, and then click on open corresponding to the exe file. It will reinstall Intel's Bluetooth drivers, and the same can be done for AMD. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.